We are the saviors, we are the angels, a voice to lead. We are the warriors, we are the saviors, we are the angels, a voice to lead. We say be strong, stay alive, hold the hands, we each other. We say we can be with breath forever, for the lessons of the world, sets aside so far and looking forever in the light.
Mommy has passed. Oh, excellent. So what do you want to do? I want to become a nurse. What? No. What people will think? Mommy, nursing is most respectful, knowledgeable and professional course. And we can even do doctorate for them. Think about it once. No, Mom, I choose to become a nurse.
Colleges are enriched by our presence. As I share knowledge with the upcoming generation, I am called as nurse professor. Where it is connected to mother's pain and the child's cry, I am called as a midwifery and pediatric nurse. Where anatomy and physiology comes into play, I am called a medical surgical nurse. When someone's emotions and psychology comes into play, I'm called as mental health nurse. When I deal with the disease of your household, I'm called as community health nurse. On those waters where I become someone's relief and smile, I am called a military nurse. Where it comes to women and their reproductive health, from pregnancy to postpartum and beyond, I am called as obstetric nurse. Where there are legal cases, often involving victims of violence, abuse or crime, I am called as forensic nurse. Not just in my country, but also in foreign lands, I have found the freedom to spread my wings, bringing joy to others, and with the lamp in hand, I have illuminated the path for those around me.